This narration involves Abu Khalaf, who says that the freed slaves of Banu Jumaha, including Ubaid bin Umar, attended the service of Umm al-Mu'mineen Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha near the Zamzam well, where there was no shade except for the area covered by her. Abu Khalaf welcomed Ubaid and asked why he didn't come to meet them earlier. Ubaid expressed fear that he might be singled out, but Abu Khalaf reassured him, saying he should not be worried. Ubaid then explained that he came to inquire about a specific verse, mentioning two different recitations, and asked which one Prophet ﷺ preferred. He recited two versions of the verses. 1. Allazina yutuna ma atawa. Second, Allazina yatuna ma atawa. Ubaid asked Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha which version Prophet ﷺ used to recite, and she confirmed that he recited it as Allazina yatuna ma atawa. Ubaid then expressed this preference for this recitation as it matches the dialect in which his life is in the hands of the one who possesses power. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha testified that the Prophet ﷺ also recited it in the same manner, and this recitation is indeed the correct one. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23544.